This is how you're going to enable Cloudfare DNS. First, you're going to open your network settings. The easiest way is to right-click on your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet icon at the bottom right of your screen. And then from here, you're going to select Open Network and Internet Settings. Now, from your settings page, you're going to click on Change Adapter Options. So right here under Advanced Network Settings. And then this will show all your active network connections. You're going to right-click on the one you're using like Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then you're going to choose on Properties. So for this one, I will be using this Ethernet, and then I'm going to click on Properties, and then in the Properties window, scroll down until you see Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IP version 4. So we're just going to scroll down until we find it. You can see it right here, and then we're going to select it, and then we are going to click on Properties right here. Now from here, we are going to in the new window, we're going to use the following DNS server address. So for preferred DNS, you're going to type in 1.1.1.1, and then for alternate DNS servers, which is right here, you're going to type in 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare's secure DNS addresses. If you're using IP version 6, repeat the process but pick Internet Protocol version 6 or TCP IPv6 and enter 2606 for 700, and then for 700, and then 1111 for preferred, and 2606 for 700, 1001 for alternate. Now after that, you're going to hit on OK, and then you're going to close all windows, and then finally you are going to restart your browser or reconnect your network to apply the changes. And that's it. You have now enabled Cloudflare DNS on your PC. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.